Hello, little friends. Today we will play a fun game, Guess the Vehicle. I will play a sound, and you have to guess which vehicle it is. Ready? Let's go! Can you guess this sound?
Car.
Vroom, vroom. This is a car. Cars help families go to school, shopping, and on trips.
Bus.
Beep, beep. What's that? Yes, it's a bus. Buses carry many people together.
Fire engine.
Oh, that's loud. Who comes with this sound? This is a fire engine. Firefighters use it to put out fires and save lives.
Police car.
Do you know this sound? It's a police car. Police use it to keep us safe.
Ambulance.
Who helps sick people quickly? Yes, an ambulance. It takes patients to the hospital fast. Who's coming?
Train.
Can you guess the sound? It's a train. Trains take people and goods far away.
Motorcycle.
Can you guess what is faster than a car? It's a motorcycle. People ride it quickly on roads.
Tractor.
Who works on farms? It's a tractor. Farmers use it to grow food.
Mixture truck.
Can you guess this vehicle? A cement mixer truck. It is a heavy-duty vehicle used in the construction industry.
Truck.
Who carries heavy things? This is a truck. Trucks carry goods from one place to another.
Ice cream van.
Can you guess this sound? Yes, it's an ice cream van. A vehicle specifically equipped to sell ice creams to customers from the street, often playing a music to attract attention.
Crane.
Who lifts heavy things high? This is a crane. It helps build tall buildings.
Auto rickshaw.
What's that sound? Yes, it's an auto rickshaw. It's a small, three-wheeled vehicle that carries people in the city.
Sports car.
What's that speed sound? It's a sports car, a fast car that zooms on the road.
Taxi.
What's that sound? It's a taxi car. Taxis help people get from place to place in the city.
Bicycle.
Can you guess this sound? Yes, it's a bicycle, a two-wheeled, human-powered vehicle with pedals. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time for more fun videos.